guys, it's Deepa, and we are about to check out Toronto's newest fried chicken sensation. Now, if you like cheese and fried chicken, this may be the place for you. First of all, I just want you to pay attention to how large this is. This is literally bigger than my head. And it's stuffed with 5 different types of cheeses, so it's just so ooey and gooey and stretchy. It's amazing. And then the meat itself is super tender, super juicy, and the outside is just really crunchy, really crispy. So when you just bite it, it's crunch, tenderness, and then cheese. Bam. It's amazing. If you want to check this place out, head over to Hot Star Fried Chicken at 374 Yonge Street.